Hi Barbara, so this is your portal all ready to send out to you in the States. So it's got a few different features, try and make them all pretty much unique. So on the front we've got the volume control, we've got reverberation, so I'll turn those both down. We've got on and off, so you'll see the pulse, so that's the speed of the pulse. So we'll start with the basics. So we set the pulse up of the box, so it tries to form a complete sentence or a continuous string of audio snippets. So that's why we set the pulse. The pulse can or offers some slight adjustment. So I'll just hinge that back. So you can, with a fine jeweler screwdriver, you can actually turn this in and out, and you can actually, takes a lot of turns, but you can get it stepping quicker. So you probably tell more on there, on that mode. We can turn it down again, so you see how quick it's stepping there. It's stepping a lot slower. Just turn it up a bit. So that just demonstrates, you can see it's actually pulsing a lot quicker now on the front. So we'll start again with the tutorial. So switch it on. We'll give it a little bit of volume. On this side here, if you push the Tesla to a middle position, so if you move the Tesla to a middle position, there's a switch on the side there, then that'll respond to my voice, and it'll respond to vibrations too. So the two buttons on this side, we've got the frequency stepping or the channel hopping button, and then we've got the scan and store. So scan and store will work when the box is in channel hopping mode. So to toggle between channel hopping and frequency stepping, we just hold and press the red button for about a second. So if we press that now, you'll see it channel hopping, and then if you hold it again, you'll see it frequency. So CH is channel hopping and FRE is frequency stepping. So as you see, frequency stepping is stepping, doing a reverse sweep through the frequencies. So it's a bit more like a traditional ghost box, whereas the channel hopping is reverse sweeping through pre-stored channels. So this is where the white button comes in. So if we press and hold the white button for a second and let go, you'll see once the screen circles, then that will start to store all of the radio frequencies in your local area. So you'll want to do this when you receive the box in the States, or when you move to an area with different radio broadcasts, say about 10 plus miles away from your location. So this process will take roughly a minute, and a good store usually gets about 20 channels. So it'll go all the way from 87.8 megahertz through to 108. It's best to do this outdoors or next to an open or a window, and then you'll pick up a lot more stations, and then use the box indoor or outdoor accordingly. So we're going through the sweep at the moment. We're getting up towards 103.
I do like that.
So each of these, as it stores, it'll play about a second. They'll play back a lot quicker when it starts to go through them automatically in a moment. You can see there we've got about 26, and it'll start to play those back now.
Interesting. From I don't. So how and so we have.
Okay, so we hope you really enjoy this box. It's probably about the 200th we've built now, probably about the 15th out in the States. So you've got a very unique piece of equipment, and we hope you thoroughly enjoy it.